Hey guys, I'm over at the Hampton Inn Alpharetta / Roswell, Georgia, and this is a king room. It's called a king study room, which you'll see why in a minute. But great bathroom space, lots of countertops. Love the sliding glass door instead of a shower curtain for the shower, and of course the Hampton Inn products are really good. Had some hooks for coats. And I did like that we had the couch there. I think that's what made it the study. Nice, comfy king bed. Plugs were great by the window or by the lamps. I don't know how I feel about this being just outside. I kind of like it being enclosed with a door, just a cleaner look. But we did have a built-in space to put the luggage. And of course we had the fridge. Now this did have a microwave as well, as you see, as well as a coffee maker and drawer space. And of course we had the desk with the mirror, and just a great stay and really affordable price. So if you're looking for something outside the Atlanta area, definitely recommend checking out the Hampton Inn Alpharetta, Roswell, Georgia location. And as you can see, we've got 2 plugs and USB. So yeah, good option for something in the Atlanta, Alpharetta, Roswell area. Have a great day, guys.